Good afternoon, Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg. Let's talk a little bit about COVID-19, the protections that we're doing, some statistics, and then talk a little bit about things coming up this weekend. So we'll start off with the statistics from the local health district. We're now up to 690 cases. Remember, there was no reporting provided yesterday by either the local health district or the state, so these numbers are kind of built up over 2 days. So 690 total cases. We've increased by 7 in the city of Fredericksburg. We're now up to 52 cases, and we're getting contact tracing information on those so that we can plot them on our appropriate chart and put information into our 911 dispatch system. We also have 334 cases in Stafford, 230 in Spotsylvania, 38 in King George, and 36 in Caroline. We're maintaining steady at only 11 deaths in the health district, so that's a good number. We do have one additional outbreak in the local health district now. We're up to a total of 3. The latest outbreak is in a long-term care facility. I don't know the exact location yet, but if we can provide that later, we will. So we now have 2 outbreaks in long-term care facilities and 1 in a congregate setting, which was the Aldi store. Still very few people in the hospital, about 20, 25 people in the hospital with COVID-19. So we're doing pretty good there. The testing has ramped up quite a bit. Again, we're up somewhere, 5, 6, 7,000 tests a day. So you're going to see some more positives of that. All of our information on the Virginia statistics and the U.S. statistics will be provided in our written report. So you can check that out. Don't forget, if you're making a trip out to the grocery store or the pharmacy, or you've got to go out and pick something up, how about taking a chance to go by and take a look at the love sign in Hurkamp Park right there at the corner of Prince Edward and William Street. We've updated that, and the love sign there now is dedicated, at least this week, to our first responders. So get a chance, go by and take a look at that, and give some props to our healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, allied health technicians, and everything that work at the hospitals and the urgent cares and places like that, and also our first responders, our police officers, sheriff's deputies, firefighters, EMTs, and medics. But if you get a chance to go by that, they've done a really good job with that. If not, check it out on the YouTube video. Again, as states and localities start to ease restrictions, probably maybe as early as May 15th, and we return to a more normal state, I won't say a normal state, but a more normal state, remember to put into practice those recommended social distancing and gathering things about no more than 10 people and the 6-foot distance and everything like that. So keep those up. And also proper hand washing techniques go a long way, and the use of hand sanitizer if you're out and about could certainly help limit the spread and the spread of germs and things like that. And finally, this weekend coming up, it's a weekend in May. We don't know exactly what the weather's going to be like. A couple different forecasts out there, but Sunday is Mother's Day, so make sure you don't forget to take care of her and make it a special day for her. With the stay-at-home order in effect still, try some things different this year. We have some ideas that we're going to post on the written report. But just to give you some things, if you happen to live with the mother, surprise her with breakfast in bed, but let her sleep in at first, of course. Write a chalk message along your daily walking route if you do that. Coordinate with the whole family to do her favorite activity together, game night or baking cookies or whatever that might be. Clean the house so she doesn't have to lift a finger, so you get to work the vacuum and the washer and the dryer and the dishes and all that kind of good stuff. Video chat with grandma, because she's a mom too, and if she doesn't live with you, then that'll help keep her. So if you don't live with your mom, think about send a meal to her from her favorite restaurant, or drop a little gift off and leave it on her porch so you can still socially distance, or send her a card in the mail, or how about even a flower arrangement or something like that. And just call her up and let her know you're thinking about her and want to talk to her on her special day and everything like that. So we'll be back and talking with you again tomorrow. We'll see you then. Thanks.